What's the meaning of bushbaby? Bushbaby. Bushbaby.
Bushbaby. Bushbaby. The term bushbaby refers to a small, nocturnal primate that is native to the forests of Africa. These creatures are known for their large, expressive eyes and their ability to leap through the trees with great agility. Bushbabies use their sharp senses and dexterous hands to hunt insects and other small prey, and they communicate with one another using a range of sounds and calls. Their cute and distinctive appearance has made them popular among wildlife enthusiasts, and they have even been kept as pets in some areas. However, habitat destruction and hunting have put pressure on bushbaby populations, making them a vulnerable species in need of conservation efforts.